Hello everyone, I'm Laksh, studying in grade 8 in GoldenBee Global BTM layout. 21st of June. This day is known as International Yoga Day and it is celebrated across the world. This idea was given by our beloved Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji in 2014 and the first official Yoga Day was celebrated on the 21st of June 2015. Yoga is an ancient Indian tradition followed till today but now across the world. Yoga comes from the Sanskrit word yuj, meaning to unite our body with our mind, to relax our mind and go into a state of peace and well-being. It helps us grow a bond between human and nature and an amazing way to achieve good health and well-being. Even though it is a very old tradition, it has been gaining more and more popularity over the years. There are a lot of benefits to starting yoga at a young age, ideally 8 years. It helps us in muscular, emotional and intellectual levels. Yoga is best done if we prepare our minds at a tender age as children. It also helps children focus better and improve their memory. This year marks the 9th annual celebration of Yoga Day as it nurtures and builds more minds.
GoldenBee Global, Beehive of Learning.